So now let us look at how the values of logarithm changes as x changes. So if you increase this x, will the value of logarithm increase or decrease? So let us look at the base as 2. So let us take the base as 2. So log 1 to the base 2, log 2 to the base 2, log 4 to the base 2, log 8 to the base 2, so on. Log 1 by 2 to the base 2, log 1 by 4 to the base 2, so on. So as you can very clearly see, in this case I am increasing the value of x slowly. So the value of x 1 by 4, 1 by 2, 1, 2, 4, 8, the value of x is increasing slowly. Now what are the values of logarithms? So log 1 to the base 2. So 1 can be written as 2 power 0. So what is the power of 2 present in 1? That's nothing but 0. So 2 has to be raised to the power 0 to get 1. So what is log 2 to the base 2? To what power? 2 should be raised to get 2 as the answer. 1 is the answer. What is log 4 to the base 2? 2 is the answer. Log 8 to the base 2 is 3. Log half to the base 2 is obviously minus 1 because half is nothing but 2 power minus 1. Log 1/4 to the base 2 is minus 2, so on. So as you can very clearly see, as the value of x is increasing, the value of y is also increasing. That is, if you increase the value of the number here, the value of logarithm increases. For base 2. For base 2. Now, does this always happen? So we can see that the values of base can be in between 0 to 1 or 1 to infinity. There are two separate blocks of bases possible. That is, the bases can be in between 0 to 1 or they can go from 1 to infinity. Now our base 2 lies in this block. So if the base lies in this block, that is, if the base is greater than 1, as x increases, log x to the base a also increases. So now let us take a base in this block. Let us take half. Let us take half as the base. So let us do everything again. Log 0 to the base half, log 2 to the base half, log 4 to the base half, log 1 by 2 to the base half, log 1 by 4 to the base half, so on. So let us try to calculate these numbers. Now what is the first number? 1. 0 cannot be written in the place of this. So log 1 to the base half. Half should be raised to which power to get 1 as the answer? 0. Half to the power what is 2? So obviously half to the power minus 1 is 2. Half to the power minus 2 is 4. Half to the power 1 is half. Half to the power 2 is 1/4, so on. So can you see that this follows a reverse order as x increases? So here 1/4, half, 1, 2, 4, these numbers are increasing, but these numbers are decreasing. 2, 1, 0, minus 1, minus 2. So as x is increasing, the value of y is decreasing, the value of log is decreasing. That is, if the base is in between 0 and 1, if the base is a fraction, then as x increases, log x to the base a has to decrease. As x increases, log x to the base a decreases. So this is the pattern in which log changes as the number inside log changes. You need to remember it in 2 steps. If the base is greater than 1, then as x increases, log x increases. If the base is in between 0 to 1, as x increases, the value of log x decreases.